short fix probably over the next 24 hours for at least some locations with those wildfires up to the southwest there by Brookings. But the rest of us on the east side, an increased or elevated chance for wildfires with thunderstorms continuing on over the next 24 hours or so. There's a fire weather warning, this whole section in red. Central Oregon stretching up to about the Blue Mountains east of Pendleton here until 10 p.m., 5 p.m. off to the south, because we're going to see another round of thunderstorms develop this afternoon. So any help? Really not much. We do have a cold front's going to pass through overnight, which is going to bring some cooler air, a little bit of rain, but I don't think it's going to really help those areas of Central Oregon. So tough terrain is going to continue to cause some issues, and those thunderstorms this afternoon and the wind that could be gusty at times isn't going to be very nice either. Temperatures in the 60s to maybe near 70 degrees for Tillamook this afternoon. The coastal clouds are going to stick around. We do have that approaching cold front that could bring in a little bit of precipitation. 80s for us here in the valley. It's going to be a pretty nice afternoon, not as smoky as yesterday. Upper 80s to near 90 degrees east, Madras and Bend right around that mark. And then a chance for some thunderstorms. I'll have a look at that here in just 1 second. Near 90 degrees for the Dalles and 70 for Government Camp. A little breezy along the Columbia, so if you have some plans to hang out there this afternoon, just be ready for the wind. So watch what happens this afternoon. We get some daytime heating, a little bit of energy. Boom, here come the thunderstorms just southeast of Bend. They push to the northeast through the evening to areas like Baker City later on tonight. We'll watch a cold front that's moving in, so when nothing's really happening here in Portland, we look west because that's where most things develop. And that's what we're going to have going on. So here's Thursday morning. Here comes a cold front. It's going to bring in some clouds, maybe a little bit of rain. I'm talking about a sprinkle, very light precipitation, maybe a mist too. Other than that, not much accumulating for us here in Portland. We haven't seen rain since that day that broke our long dry stretch. 12 o'clock, we start to drying up and things are okay. If you have plans for hood to coast the last 6 years, not bad for 2013 to about 2015, but then it got real hot for 2016. This year, our Friday's looking good. Saturday, a little warm depending on where you're going to be at. Saturday at 89, Sunday 92 degrees, and Monday 93 degrees. The next couple of days, pretty comfortable. We do have that chance for rain, but then it gets hot this weekend. Carly?